What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning. My name is Lester. I'm a 7-figure full-time Amazon seller, and I'm going to show you how to prep some packages or products that you had purchased for your inventory to send to Amazon FBA. We're going to go over multi-pack listings or bundles, how to prep apparels like shirts, clothing, and all that stuff. And lastly, we're going to show you how to do it on a pair of shoes. I'm going to show you how to do a 2-pack listing for this Advil, for example. So you're going to need your products, poly bag, and a sticker that will say this is a set. Since this is a 2-pack, you're going to put both of your products in the poly bag. And it's very important when you're picking a poly bag to have this supplication label right here. Amazon does require that, so make sure when you purchase a poly bag that it's gonna have this. All right, so once you have your 2-pack on the poly bag, I know it's not the prettiest, you can definitely make it a lot better. You're gonna put the sticker next. You grab one of the stickers. Again, it says this is a set, do not separate. And you're simply just gonna put that outside right there. You're gonna print your label basically from the Amazon Central, and you're gonna put it underneath that. So that's gonna be how to do a 2-pack. You can also, the same process for a bundle. So if it's 2 different products in a bundle, a 3-pack, a 4-pack, so on and so forth. So pretty self-explanatory in that point. What we have here next is apparel. So it could be shorts, shirt, hoodie, pants, anything clothing. Applies the same rules. The majority of the clothing right here, it's gonna have, your tag and stuff because we're selling brand new items. If it doesn't have, the MSRP sticker, this is a step that you can skip. But if it does have one, you're gonna wanna just remove that. So for this example, there was one. You just remove that sticker, so you don't want people to know how much you actually paid for it, because in Amazon, most likely you're selling it for a profit. Next step is you're gonna fold it. In terms of the label, it doesn't have to stick out. I actually like to hide it inside the fold itself. And next you're gonna put it in the poly bag here. And remember, make sure you pick the poly bag with a suffocation warning right there, and sticker on top of the poly bag that you can just remove and it sticks automatically. So it's gonna look similar to this right here. Okay, then again, you're gonna print that label that goes outside from Amazon Central, so that way when they scan it, they know it's your product. So that's basically how to do all clothing, how to prep it in terms of sending it to Amazon FBA. All right, last one is gonna be for a pair of shoes. This one's one of my favorites because it's simple. So you have your pair of shoes. One thing I'd like to do is just to inspect the shoe box, make sure there's no major damage or holes in it. So this one, that's pretty in good shape. What you wanna do first is inspect the shoe and make sure it's clean, it's no dirt, make sure there's a right and a left pair. And the other thing that you're gonna need is a rubber band. The reason for that is when you pack it, the rubber band kind of keeps the box in tight, and it can get transferred to different fulfillment centers, and you don't want the box to kind of open up and a pair of shoe just accidentally comes out, and it does happen. So what you want to do is the rubber band, just put it right in the middle. As you can see, it's super secure and it doesn't just open right there. If it has the tissue, the better it is. Then the sticker actually goes where the UPC, just cover that up in terms of sending to Amazon, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found that video helpful. If there's any other questions or other items that you'd like me to show how to prep, please let me know, and thanks for watching. Good luck.